Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you my live trade what I did yesterday. Yes. So guys, today is 7th of November. Today is Saturday. But I'll be showing you the live trade what I did yesterday. That is on 6th of November. Okay. So I was not able to upload the video yesterday. So that's why I'm doing it right now. Okay. So this is on Saturday which I'm uploading the video. But the trade what I did was yesterday. That was on 6th of November. Okay, so I'll be showing you my live trade, and also I'll be telling you like how you guys can make consistent profit like us in intraday trading. So to get all this information, make sure you watch this video till the end. And before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips and a lot of things in my channel, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, so guys, by being said that, now let me show you the live trade what we did today. So guys, yes, today is 6th of November and now we shall be doing a live intraday trading. So before that, let me just check out the pre-open market, how the market is opening today. So let's go to pre-open market. And yes, so the market is opening at 0.30% up, and that is 12,156.65, and the advances stocks are 31, declines are 16, and unchanged are 3. So let's see the stocks which are opening in the gap up section. That is Reliance with 1.79% up, ITC with 1% up, and UPL with 0.73% up. So let's see the stocks which are opening in the downtrend. So Kotak Bank with 0.92% down, Hindalco with 0.72% down, and Tech M with 0.68% down. So this is how the pre-open market is looking right now. So in few minutes I'll be selecting the stock and we'll be doing an intraday trading. So stay tuned for that. Right now I have selected SBIN to trade. Okay, so I have not yet taken any buy or sell entry yet. So once I take an entry, I'll update you guys. So the stock what I'll be trading today is on SBIN, and the market is like 0.23% up as of now. So this is how the market looks in 15 minutes candle chart right now, 30 minutes candle. So yeah, let me put it to 15, and yes, this is how the market is looking right now. So yes, we'll see how it will perform and which side I'll get an entry. So waiting for it. So guys, as you can see here, the SBN is coming down. So I've decided to short sell this stock around 218.50 is where I'll be short selling it. So I'm just waiting for 218. Oh yeah, it triggered, and I'll be keeping like a 0.5% target. So like 1 rupee target. So 217.5 is where I'll be exiting. 218.30. Yes, it is coming down. It is performing. So let's see. So guys, yes, as you can see here, the stock has come down to our targets around 217.95 now. So the low made is 217.8. So you know my target is around 217.50. And yes, the Nifty is performing on the higher side. So for 0.45% up, as you guys can see here. Okay. So yes, still waiting for the target to get achieved. So we'll see how much time it will take yet. 217.5 is the target. Yes, as you guys can see, the low mid is to 17.05 and my target is achieved here, as you guys can see. And yes, if you see in the market depth of SBI, and so sellers are more here and the buyers are less, almost double than the buyers are there in the sellers, so the stock might go out and still, but anyway, I have booked the profit and exited it. And this is the Nifty 50 chart what you're seeing right now. So yes, even Nifty 50, that time it was 0.45% up and now it's back to 0.27%. So yes, a little the Nifty has been also come down. Okay, so this is the SBI chart. So this is how the stock performed today. And yes, our 0.5 target was easily achieved here, if you guys can see, and I was able to book this profit. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us today. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit like us from today. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and people who had losses are now starting to recover the losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. So once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. And also if you're new to the stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn consistent profit. And also if you're having losses, I'll be helping you to recover your losses. So you can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proof. So if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators. And also I'll be teaching you how to pick the stocks every day and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. And also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.